Vegas. I'm Johnny, and I have one here. Go!
Don't split me off, Johnny. Make him fall. Don't make him fall yet. Not yet, but yeah, make him at some point. Oh man, he's gonna fall soon. Yeah, it's kind of shaky though because I'm trying to hold it. Not that bad though. Like it'll be good for a video. Yeah, we don't have any tape. He's doing no hands. He's no hands right now. Oh my god. He's no hands. He's no hands. Please turn, make it fall off. Okay. Nothing happened to him. That was a really slow left. No. Yeah. I don't even know. Be careful. Don't look back though, Johnny. Let's try. Oh crap, dude, what the heck is this? He's like, what's going on? He's doing jumps now, Johnny. And he's like really cold. Look at his face. Dude, he's like squinting and he's like, he can't see. Johnny, I think he's gonna go down soon. Don't floor it so bad, dude. Yeah, you are. You're flooring it, Johnny. Don't turn right. Don't turn right. Whoa! Johnny, I can't handle the jumps. He's like, slow down. Slow down. Johnny, I cannot handle the jumps. Don't go over this jump. Whatever. I didn't see it, dude. Yeah, it's still on. I don't know. I don't know how he's still on. He's just hanging. No fear, dude. No fear. Now you go up the hill. Austin, you know what happens next. I don't know, Alex. So that's crazy. Should have fallen off already. Johnny, oh man. Oh man! He fell off! Stop! He tried to get like snowboard on it. Come back here!
flying. Dude, you're so heavy. Oh my god. You freaking broke our thing.
Let's see what he did to it.
No, you're like the heaviest person. You can't ride it.
You were driving. Alright, go. Go, 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 go! Kind of sideways. Kind of sideways.
Stop.
Stop! Stop!
Don't stop. Just keep going. Down.
Nice. Oh yeah, rip sled.